Hi, it's HardReset and today I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on Realme 14 Pro. In Settings, go to Security and Privacy, scroll all the way down to Hide Apps, enter your password, go to this gear and access method. Now choose your access method. I want to home screen icon, and you can customize your home screen icon like this. Now choose the apps to be hidden, and as you can see in here I have hide apps, and here's my hidden apps. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.